Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to fix a table in Word 2019. We will make sure the table stays in one place and one size. Open the Word document you need. To fix a position of the table, select it and right-click on the table. Choose Table Properties. Click on Positioning in the new window and uncheck Move with Text. Click OK. Let's try to put in some text. As you can see, the table is not moving. It has a fixed position now. Let's move on to the size of the table. Select and right-click on the table. Choose Table Properties. Click on Options and uncheck Automatically Resize to fit contents. Click OK. Check Preferred Width and set the size. Go to Row tab. Check Specify Height and choose Row Height as Exactly to set the size. Go to the Column tab and set the preferred width size. Click OK. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!